Best travel products. Packing for a trip can be a total headache, and getting stuck with awful gear just makes it worse. I bought and tested the 5 most popular travel essentials out there, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Here are the absolute best travel products I found. Product number 1. Biodance Biocollagen Real Deep Mask. I took these Biodance Biocollagen masks on a nasty 14-hour flight, and tearing open the pack, I immediately noticed the thick, squishy hydrogel material. It doesn't drip everywhere like a standard sheet mask, which is a huge relief when you're sitting in economy. During my test, I left it on overnight while I tried to sleep. When I peeled it off before landing, my face felt incredibly plump instead of dried out from the recycled cabin air. It really pulls moisture into your skin. Plus, taking up almost zero space in a carry-on makes it an easy pack. If you struggle with dry, tired skin after flying, grab a box of these for your next trip. While having glowing skin is great, you also need something reliable for quick cleanups when you are rushing from the airport to your hotel. Let's look at my favorite wipe. Product number 2, Neutrogena Makeup Remover Wipes. When I grabbed these Neutrogena single-use towelettes, I was so glad they felt just as soft and wet as the ones in the big bulk packs. I tossed a few into my personal bag, and the individual wrappers held up perfectly without drying out. I tested them after a long layover, and one wipe easily took off all my stubborn mascara and sweat without burning my eyes, since they are completely alcohol-free. They're just incredibly convenient for a quick scrub down when you can't get to a sink. If you want a dependable way to clean your face on a long travel day without dragging heavy liquid cleansers through security, these are a safe bet. Keeping your face fresh is one thing, but sitting shoulder to shoulder with strangers means you probably want to keep your breath under control too. Here's what I keep in my pocket. Product number 3. Listerine Travel Essentials Cool Mint Pocket Packs Breath Strips. Holding this tiny Listerine Pocket Packs container, I was honestly surprised by how small and flat it is. It easily slides right into the coin pocket of my jeans. During my trip, after drinking way too much awful airport coffee, I just popped one of these paper-thin strips onto my tongue. It dissolves instantly and hits you with a massive wave of cool mint that honestly feels exactly like swishing real mouthwash. It killed that coffee breath immediately, and I didn't have to awkwardly shuffle to the tiny airplane bathroom to brush my teeth. If you're someone who hates the heavy feeling of unbrushed teeth while traveling, you definitely want these in your bag. Now, dealing with sneezes or spilled drinks on a turbulent flight is another headache entirely, which is exactly why I tested a travel staple I never leave without. Product number 4, Kleenex On-the-Go Facial Tissues. I honestly didn't think much about tissues until I handled these Kleenex On-the-Go packs. The plastic wrapper feels really durable, so it didn't tear open and ruin the tissues while bouncing around at the bottom of my backpack. When I tested them against a sudden coffee spill on my tray table, the thick 3-ply paper actually held together instead of instantly dissolving into a mushy mess. They are soft enough to blow your nose a dozen times without getting chapped, but strong enough to act as a quick napkin when you need one. If you want a cheap, reliable backup plan for tiny messes and sneezes, buy a bulk pack of these and stash them in every bag. Of course, bringing all these travel items means you actually need space in your luggage, which brings me to the absolute best packing tool I tested. Product number 5, VacBird Vacuum Bags for Travel with Rechargeable Air Pump. When I picked up the VacBird Rechargeable Air Pump, I loved how incredibly lightweight yet solid it felt in my hand. I loaded up the thick plastic compression bags with 4 chunky sweaters just to see what would happen. I attached the little pump, turned it on, and watched it suck out every ounce of air in about a minute. The bags shrank down so flat that I easily gained back half the space in my carry-on suitcase. The battery lasted through my entire packing process for the trip and the journey back home without needing a single charge. If you are a notorious overpacker or just want to avoid paying crazy baggage fees for a checked suitcase, you have to try this system. It really saves an unbelievable amount of room in your luggage, making packing so much less stressful for long trips. That wraps up my list of the best travel products. I put links to all of these down in the description so you can easily check the current prices. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next video.